Open RSLogix 5000 and look at the controller organizer. You'll see a folder for add-on instructions. To create a new add-on instruction, right-click on the Add-on Instructions folder and select New Add-on Instruction. Give the instruction a meaningful name. In this example, we will create an instruction to control a pump and monitor how long the pump operates. Let's call it Pump with Time. Type in a description of the instruction to outline its functionality for users. Next, select a programming language from the Type field to program the instruction. You can choose ladder diagram, function block diagram, or structured text. For this example, we'll select function block diagram. You can also assign a revision number, include any revision notes, and enter a vendor if applicable. The check boxes allow you to open the logic routine editor used to create the instruction and to open the add-on instruction definition editor, which is used to define the parameters associated with the instruction. Select both checkboxes. Click OK to accept the add-on instruction. This will open the function block editor in the background and the add-on instruction definition editor window in the foreground. The add-on instruction definition editor features several properties tabs. The editor opens to the General tab, which lists the basic information for the instruction and allows you to make modifications. The local tags are generally used for calculation variables, embedded block instruction tags, and so forth, which are not necessary for the end user. Tags defined as local are not visible in the data type defined for the add-on instruction. Only the defined parameters are shown as members in the instruction's data type. The Scan Modes tab allows you to define optional routines that handle specific behaviors for specific conditions. These include a pre-scan routine, a post-scan routine, and an enable and false routine. The Change History tab identifies who created the add-on instruction, who last edited it, and when. The Help tab displays the auto-generated help text for the instruction. It includes the instruction name, version, description, how it appears in different programming languages, and all the parameters with their definitions, including descriptions. This tab also allows you to add an extended description to include special information or tips for the end user of the instruction. Finally, the Parameters tab is where you can assign input and output parameters for your instruction. For the Pump with Time example, we will need a command parameter to tell the pump to start and stop. In the Usage field, you can select either an input or an output parameter, which can be passed by value in or out of the instruction. You can also select an in-out parameter, which can be used to reference a structure or a large array of data without passing it through to the instruction. For this example, select Input for the command parameter. Select a data type from the Select Data Type dialog, or simply type the data type name. Define the default value, which sets the initial value for the parameter on instantiation of the add-on instruction. Define whether this parameter is required or just visible. A required parameter must be connected to something for the routine using the instruction to verify. A visible parameter will be displayed on the instruction face. Give the parameter a description. Insert other parameters in the same way. For this example, we will also add an input parameter called Timer Reset and two output parameters called Pump Contact and Runtime. Select Apply to accept the new parameters. These parameters define the Pump with Time instruction interface and a data type. It also keeps a real-time measure of the size of the data type as it is being built. Select OK to accept your changes and close the Add-on Instruction Definition Editor. This will activate the Language Editor, which in this example is the Function Block Editor. Now, we are ready to create the logic for our add-on instruction. In this example, we will use two input references, one discrete two-state device instruction, which will be the basic controller for the pump, a retentive timer, and an output reference. Other instructions can be added later if they are needed. To add the first instruction, use the Insert key to open the Add Elements browser within the Function Block Editor and select the discrete two-state device instruction. Double-click on an input reference to open the list of parameters. Select the ones that are appropriate to build your logic. Repeat for the other input reference and the output references. As you build the logic, you may need to add instructions. Simply use the Insert key and select from the Add Elements browser. Wire the inputs, outputs, timer, and the discrete two-state device instruction together to complete the logic for the Pump with Time instruction. The add-on instruction definition is complete and ready to use in any routine in the project.